Okay, welcome back to the saga of the differential bearing, and just so you can see, it pretty much starts smooth all the way around, halfway, and then in the other half is all disgustingly poorly manufactured. So this was definitely an error in machining. It wasn't just that the bearing got old, otherwise it would be uniform. It's not. This was crap, and actually you can see a parting line right here. This should never have been turned into a bearing. Anyway, now on with the show, and make sure I'm pretty much centered. I'm going to talk about how to remove this shitty bearing. And listen to my neighbor's dogs bark. Because, you know, whatever. I live in the South. That's what we do. But because the bearing separator plates won't work, we're going to use this. A Makita angle grinder. And of course, I always use safety glasses, as Norm Abram used to always tell us. And hearing protection, as I always tell you. Anyway, safety glasses aren't the clearest thing in the world, but yeah, they'll do for now. Whoop, and stay away from the charcoal. There we go. We'll go from that angle. This is not easy to do. My cooking on fire. Now the idea is to not touch the differential. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave that there. That's that space. We're going to try to get it to crack. Parts that that thing ain't ever running again anyway. As you can see, making some progress, but progress is slow, and that's on purpose. Hold on just a second. In fact, I'm going to pause the video here and I'll show you what happens in a minute. Okay, quite some time later, and this is where we're at. Now, draw this up real close. You may be able to see but it has cracked right down the middle of where I ground out. Because of that, it should just pop right off. Maybe, if I can get some purchase on it. Now, as usual, please don't do what I'm doing. It's dangerous and will probably kill you. Or set your house on fire, yourself on fire. There we go. And it's just shown for entertainment purposes of what a redneck is doing with a British or German or American, whatever Mini is, car. So try to fix it and turn it into a usable daily driver. And as you can see here, I barely even nicked any of the load-bearing surfaces on the differential by shaving it down. But again, don't try this at home, especially not wearing oily rags and sitting there with some acetone and gasoline and everything else that's sitting around where I was just flying sparks and anything flammable or, you know, small children, whatever. Anyway, if you enjoyed this